Alright guys, we have a nice horizontal TMUM Hardinge mill here today. I'm going to fire it up, give you guys a little test run. It does have the very rare, get down here so you guys can see it, swivel table. Nice scraped ways. It's getting a little dark now, but you guys can see in the pictures also that, I mean, this machine was very well taken care of. Let's fire it up for you guys. We'll just go into high speed, let it run for a second. You guys can see what's going on. Very well taken care of. We have two of these up right now. Both were by two owners, which is super rare. You don't even see that in cars nowadays. They were really close friends. I have the original sales receipts to both machines. You'll get a photocopy of the quote from Hardinge. Very clean, nice machines, guys. Let me throw it in reverse real quick. I think the belt might need replacing. Looks to me like it's a little wobbly. Again, this is a 1968, I believe, and the other one that we have up is a 73. Belts aren't hard to come by. You could always, stitch one up if you're in the mood to do such. Let's show you guys the power feed. Throw it into forward. I mean, you don't get this.